Hello students, today let's continue with our exercise 1.6. Okay, in our previous exercise we have done till exercise 1.6. Today in this exercise, let's see here, find the product. In our previous exercise also we have done similar, right? So I want you to do this one by yourself. You know how to multiply, right? So question 1 and question 2, I want you to do that by yourself. Okay, that will be our today's classwork. So you try this one, arrange in columns and multiply. This exercise 1.6, 1.6 also I want you to write in our copy. Okay, you have to write in copy. This one you have to write in copy. I'm repeating again. Yes, let's continue. Let's turn page and continue with our exercise 1.7. This is our word problem. So let's look here and do this together. In exercise 1.7 we can see here, let's read the question together. There are 100 apples in a grade. Shyam ordered for 10 such grades. How many apples will he have altogether? How we will do here? There are 100 apples in a grade. Now, in one grade we have 100 apples. Shyam ordered for 10 such grade, means these are the grades. Okay, so वन ग्रेड में कितना एप्पल्स होता है बोला है 100 एप्पल्स. ओके, तो शयम ने कितना ऑर्डर किया है 10 तो ऑर्डर किया है लाइक दिस. ओके, दिस बॉक्सेस टू स्टोर एप्पल. So how many apples will he have altogether? What we will do here, we will multiply and we will find out how many apples we have in 10 grade. Okay, so let's write here solution. I'm showing you the solution in our textbook, but you have to write this in our copy, not in textbook. Okay, you have to write it down in our copy. Don't forget to mention the exercises chapter name properly. Okay, so let's write here solution. How many apples are there in a grade? You will just write here apples in a grade. We have 100, right? So apples in 10th grade, how we will do? Apples in 10 grade, we will multiply, right? 100 into 10, right? 100 into 10 grade, how much we will have? 1. How many 0? 1 2 3, right? 0 ka multiplication with it's very easy, right? So 1 into 1 is 1. After that kitna 0 hai? 1 2 3. So I have put the 3 zeros. That means in 10th grade we have 1000 apples. Okay, we can write here thus we have we will write thus in 10th grade he will have 1000 apples in 10th grade, right? This is our solution. Excuse. Okay, now let's turn page and look at our question 2. In question 2, we have Bravin has 30 stamps and Nirav has 20 times as many stamps as Bravin has. How many stamps does Nirav have? How we will do here? Bravin का पास में 30 stamps हैं and Nirav का पास में 20 times as many stamps as Bravin. Bravin का कितना है? 20 times more है बोल रहा है Nirav के पास. So how many stamps does Nirav have? उसको भी हम लोग कैसा find out करेगा? Bravin के पास तो इतना है, Nirav का पास 20 times more है बोल रहा है ना. तो here also we will just multiply. How many stamps does Nirav have? So let's make the sentence here. Solution. We can write stamps of Bravin. Bravin का stamps कितना है? 30 stamps है ना. And Nirav, you can write Nirav has 20 times 20 times as Bravin. Let's write this way. 30 into 20, right? Nirav has 20 times as Bravin. So 30 into 20 करके कितना मिलता है? First, ये तो we have done ना how to multiply this kind in our previous exercise. Fill in the blanks में. So 3 2s are कितना है? 6, right? So how many zero we have? How many zero? 2 0. आप लोग ऐसा करके भी देख सकेगा. 0 0 0 0 2 0 0 6, right? So 6 देखो we are getting the same answer, right? दो shortcut से 3 2s are 6 कितना zero है इतना zero डालना. So you can write therefore yeah thus Nirav have 600 stamps. That's it. Very simple, right? This kind is very simple. You just have to read the question twice, thrice. If you are not understanding the question, means बार बारो तब आप लोग समझ में आ जाएगा. And you can easily make out the sentence by looking at the by reading the questions properly. See, question को अच्छा से पढ़ के answer को भी ऐसे ही we can make a short sentence, okay, with the help of our question. So let's look at this question 3 again. Let's read this question together. There are 17 floors in an apartment and each floor has 12 houses. So how many houses are there in the apartment? So यहाँ में in 17 floors ही, okay, in an apartment, okay. There are 17 floors in an apartment and each floor, in each floor has how many houses? 12 houses है बोल रहे. How many houses are there in the apartment? So it is asking in this apartment, this is the apartment, okay, this is 17 floor apartment. So एक floor में कितना house है बोल रहा है, तो 12 house है बोल रहा है. So how many houses are there in the apartment? So let's write here. ये भी multiply ही करेगा, right? So कोई floor in an apartment. Let's write apartment. Floor in an apartment. चलो, we'll write here floors in an apartment. कितना floors है? 17 floors है ना? And how many houses are there in each floor? Houses. You can write houses in each floor is equal to 17 into यहाँ में 12 houses है ना? Each floor means one floor में, हाँ, 12 houses. So इसको multiply करो. You can do this multiplication in rough side, okay? So 17 into 12. चलो, 2 7s are 14. 1 hand here, 2 ones are 2, 3. Leave space, 1 7s are 7, 1 1s are 1. Plus karo 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, 1 in hand 2. So we got here 204. That means एक floor में in each floor it is like in one floor we have 12, right? So 17 floor में we have find out 204 houses. सब ये apartment में 204 houses है ना? So we can write thus there are 204 houses in the apartment. That's it. This is our answer. Now I hope you understood. I want you to try this question 4 and 5, okay, as a classwork. You can take this as a homework. One I have given you classwork ना, तो ये दोनों homework होगा. So read the question nicely, okay? Read the question properly and answer it, because there are 4 floors in the school. Each floor has this one text. How many texts are there? So read the question nicely and answer it. You have to write it down in copy, okay? I'm repeating again. So write in copy and submit to me tomorrow homework, okay? That's it for today. We will continue the next lesson, next class, okay? Next chapter, next class.